Trap Master Flex.
It's your boy T-Lo Flex. I reproduced Nicki Minaj new single, Yikes. Now, keep in mind I put my own twist to it, and the frequency is 432. The scale is C on the minor scale, BPM 75. Yeah, let's get into it. For the melody, I used Omnisphere. And since, as you can see, Omnisphere takes a long time to load, so I usually record the sample. Okay. And I used Keyscape, Wash, keyboards, LA Custom, Wash, and I layered it with a pad string, and I literally just like did a random one. I don't know. It's somewhere in there. Alright, the next thing that I did is the snare. Well, actually, the clap first. Okay, so this is the clap solo. It's literally just regular. This is my hi-hats. Now I kept my own little twist to it. These aren't the exact same pattern, but you get the point. Next, we have the snare that I heard in the back. And then, last but not least, the 808. And I have two patterns for the 808. And then on the last one, I just changed it up a bit. And this is the entire beat. And for my master, I use Ozone. The FOP will be in the description. Here's my beat.